All right, today we got the new Tesla update. When you have that little blue dot there next to the car, that means there's an update that needs to be checked out. So let's see what's going on here. So we'll tap that, and the first thing it says is lights. So something's going on with the lights right here. Sync lights with music. Blind spot warning. Accent light. So accent lights will illuminate red when objects is detected in your blind spot in adjacent lane and your turn signal is engaged. So when you turn the turn signal on, just like the lights up will come on to let you know there's someone in the blind spot. Now it says display, so tap the display, see what the display does. So it is custom display mode. So if you want to if you have a pet, you can name your pet whatever pet you have, whether it's a dog, it's a rat, it's a whatever it is, Sparky, cat, rat. So you can customize and put a picture of it, put a name in there and save it. Software update. Let's see what we got here with that one. Software update. Automatically install updates. Well, we want to click yes on that. That's new. So we want to update software automatically. And generally that'll just happen at home because I don't have the internet. So that's perfect for me. So let's click on that right there. It says software updates will automatically install at night when your vehicle is parked at home and has enough battery. So perfect. Navigation. Let's see what's new. It says only add superchargers with Tesla pricing. So that's new. Let's click on that, see what that says. Enable this feature to ensure trip planning routes you exclusively to Tesla superchargers, and exclude third-party superchargers with charging. This requires a vehicle to have connectivity with online routing. So I don't have connectivity, so that's probably not going to work for me. All right, so let's go back here. Trips. So this will show you the different trips you take and what it looks like. Let's see what else. Audio. What else is new with the audio? So with the audio, let's see what we have. Oh, you can say hey Grok to launch your Grok. So you can talk to Grok now to launch your Grok. So if you want to launch Grok, you don't have to push the button, you can just talk to it. So that's pretty cool. So that's all the updates. So let's see, generally if you go to where it says software updates, you can go to release notes. This will tell you what all it did. So the hey Grok right here. Then it says pet mode, we just talked about that. Visual updates means automatic updates, and it shows you information about the trips. And another thing right here, this says this has to do strike a pose, take a picture. So this one has, so this has something to do with this right here. Oh, sketchpad. So you can sketchpad. Let's see if you want to write something. All right, so we can do that. All right, so that's about it for the new updates. And this is a Tesla Model 3 2024. So all those updates came in last night. Tesla Model 3 2024.